Welcome to this FlexSim Feature Spotlight. In FlexSim 7, we've made numerous improvements. One of these was overhauling the basic interface. To get you familiar with the new interface, we're going to take you on a quick tour and highlight several important features. The window system that had been a mainstay in FlexSim has been completely replaced by a pane interface for better organization and conservation of space. The left and right panes are context sensitive, which means their content will vary depending on what you're currently doing. The left pane is typically the object library, just like in previous versions. But it can also be a shape library if you're doing animations, a library of graphs and buttons if you're using a dashboard, and a library of code snippets that can be drag and dropped if you're in the code view. The right pane is typically a properties window for the active object, item, or view. Using this convenient new pane, you can quickly edit a processor's process time, labels, or shape, a dashboard's properties, an animation component, and even search within the tree. The center panes are for tools and views, including the model view, animation creator, consoles, and dashboards. Dashboards themselves are easier to create than ever before. When you add a dashboard, it opens as a center pane, and when it's the active window, the left pane will display a list of graphs, charts, and buttons that can simply be dragged into the dashboard. Anything can be moved and resized within the dashboard, and new buttons and fields can give you control over your model and statistics that was previously only available via custom GUIs. You can create and manage multiple dashboards easily by tabbing between them within the pane. Controlling the runtimes in a model has been made much easier with the addition of a calendar feature. You can now quickly pick a start and stop time based on a specific time and date, making a simulation run more intuitive and easier to visualize, and also making timetables much easier to work with. And speaking of timetables, their parameters window has been reorganized into tabs for easier viewing, and the new editor view makes specifying times and states much faster. The flow item bin has been added as a center pane in FlexSim, with new expanded options to go with it. When the flow item bin is active, the left pane is a shape library for easily customizing items in the model, or creating new flow items via drag and drop, while the right pane is a quick properties menu for each selected flow item. Some new features have been added to the flow item, such as being able to specify the packing method for container items, and also adding custom animations to flow items. That's right. Flow items can now have animations. The Excel import and export interface retains the same functionality with a cleaner look, making it easier and more intuitive to work with multiple tables and to import tables that have been modified when the model is reset. Panes or tabs can also be organized however you want. To move a pane, simply click on the bar at the top or the tab and drag it. Several icons appear on the screen that let you dock and tab these into whatever location you desire. Thank you for watching. Look out for more feature previews as we get closer to the official release of FlexSim 7 later this year.